This home in University Heights has had a major renovation by Riverside Developments. Riverside Developments has been building luxury custom homes and renovations since 2003. New services to the city, all new plumbing, electrical and mechanical, triple pane windows, hardy board siding, green features making this home energy efficient with a higher R rating than brand new construction. It was brought down to the studs and fully rebuilt, giving Riverside the opportunity to build in the quality and luxury that you'd find in any of Riverside's custom homes, all the while giving you everything that you'd want in a luxury home. Paul Callis of Riverside redesigned this home, significantly changing the floor plan, opening it up to create a better flow and layout for how people live today. Renovation with Riverside means there is no need to sacrifice any of the luxury features you would want, like a steam shower or in-floor heat. This home has it all, with high-quality finishes and craftsmanship throughout. Riverside will elevate your home to its true potential, bringing your vision to life and creating the home of your dreams.